Are you looking to add a multi-step form to your Framer website? In this tutorial, I'm showing you how you can do that using AI with this tool called Weavly, which is available as a plugin within Framer. So if you open up the plugin, you'll notice you can add an example form, but we don't need this right now. And you can enter a URL of a form generated by this Weavly AI. So we'll go ahead and create ourselves a multi-step form first. Let's start for free. Essentially, it is what you think it is. So there's a conversational AI here, which is specifically made to build forms and surveys. So of course there's a manual mode, but it's the AI mode that's the coolest. I can basically ask it anything and it will build it for me. So let's say I need a lead contact form for my agency website. I want it to be multi-step. Ask a couple of questions like contact information and qualifying details such as project and timing, but make sure that each topic is on a different step or page. So just tell it what you need and have it transcribe it and then prompt it. It's going to build out the form. We can also have the layout or the theme changed with the AI, but that's not the point right here. We're keeping it basic. So we have our name, email, and phone here. Describe your project, and then, as we said, the timeline of the project as well, and then the final thank you page. So we have a multi-step form. From a design point of view, it's not going to blend in well, so let's change the design slightly so that it looks better compared to our Framer website, which is just a template. Make this minimal, only use black and white. So it's going to adapt the color scheme, might also change the visual. Didn't do that, remove the visual. And then we'll have something which is going to look more nicely compared to our website. Okay, so once we're happy with this form, we can further tweak it by adding questions and all sorts of things. You just go ahead and hit the publish button and you get this URL that I talked about at the beginning of the tutorial, which you just need to enter into the plugin and press the add to canvas button. So what this is going to do is it's going to add this form as a component, which we can then just drag and drop into our Framer website. Make sure that it sort of fills the entire width, looks better. And then you can go ahead and publish that to your Framer website and it will be live in a second. So let's see how that looks like. We have our website here. We have our form here and we have it multi-step. So I can just type in my name and my email, give it a phone number, and then on the next page, describe the project, and you have a multi-step form. So that's available in the free tier. In the free tier, you'll just have a Weavly badge here. I'm on the pro tier, of course, but essentially that's how you generate a form using Weavly AI, multi-step, and then embed it into Framer.